Alrighty. Good morning, Nancy. How's it going? I thought I would do a very quick tutorial on how to find the analytics for your YouTube video. And I'm going to post this to YouTube so you can just see it. Let me know when you watch it and you're done with it. I'll delete it after. But I thought this is easier than writing a full explanation. I'll show you really quickly. So when you open up YouTube, so this is, this is your video that I just was watching. Very well done, by the way. I'm serious. It was actually a fantastic video. I think it was amazing. And you're going to sell a lot with that. Now, here's where you go. Once you go to YouTube, when you click on your icon on the top right, it should look the same. Just go to, go to Creator Studio. And when that brings it up, what you'll see on the left-hand panel here, there's a little button for Analytics. And if you click on that guy, let's see here. When you click on that guy, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And when you click in the search menu here, the drop down, you'll have a whole bunch of videos that you've posted to YouTube. Just find the one that you just posted after you've sent it, and you can see how long these videos, who's viewed it and how long. So I just clicked on the one that I've kind of published a little while ago. And then if you scroll down, it'll give you all the analytics here. So total watch time, I don't really find that very useful. Average view duration over time. So obviously you'll know when you launch it, you can see the average view time goes up and down type of thing, but you'll know when you launch it kind of what the average view time is there. The other way, here's your total views as well. You can see if it goes up or down, however you want to do it. There's a ton of info here. So where's your reach? Canada, US, geography, reach, all that stuff. And then playback locations, traffic sources. So I use this just to give me an idea of how long the average view duration says. So in this case, I just go the last time I launched it, 4 minutes 30 seconds is the average. If it's an 8-minute long video, it gives me an idea of when people are kind of dropping or not, right? That's the average. So some people stay longer, some people stay less, but that's the average. So hopefully this helps you. If you click on the left, there's a whole ton of other info here. And then the other way to do it, which I'm not going to show you today, is if you go into Google Analytics account, which you'll have to set one up if you don't have it. That's free, and there's even way more analytics you can look at for your video. So I just go here and I scroll through different videos that I've sent out and basically can get the data on all of them, right? To see what the average view duration is, where the reach was, all that stuff. All right. Anyway, Nancy, hope it helped. And best of luck with your video. I honestly think it was fantastic. I'm kind of combing through it, pulling ideas out of it as well, because I think there's just how you articulated certain things was really well done. So all the best.